London, a city that pulses with history, culture and a vibrant energy all its own. From the stately grandeur of its palaces to the hidden alleyways bursting with street art, this city has something to offer everyone. And the best part? You don't need a king's ransom to enjoy it. Welcome to our guide on 10 amazing things you can do in London for free. We'll navigate through bustling markets, marvel at world-class art and uncover hidden gems, all without spending a single pound. Get ready to explore the best of London without breaking the bank. Adventure awaits, so pack your curiosity and let's dive into the heart of this magnificent city. Our first stop takes us on a journey through time at the illustrious British Museum. Home to over 8 million artifacts, this iconic institution offers a glimpse into civilization's past. From the ancient Rosetta Stone to the exquisite Elgin marbles, prepare to be captivated by treasures from across the globe. And the best part? Entry to this grand repository of human history and culture is absolutely free, making it an unmissable experience for every visitor. So, make sure to add the British Museum to your London itinerary. Next, we escape the urban hustle and bustle with a tranquil stroll through Hyde Park. This sprawling green oasis in the heart of London offers a breath of fresh air and a chance to connect with nature. Take a leisurely walk along the Serpentine Lake, hire a boat for a relaxing paddle, or simply spread out a blanket and soak up the sun. Hyde Park's free entry makes it a popular spot for Londoners and tourists alike, offering a welcome respite from the city's vibrant energy. Prepare to be dazzled by masterpieces of Western art at the National Gallery. From Van Gogh's sunflowers to Monet's water lilies, this iconic institution houses a collection that spans centuries. Get lost in the brushstrokes of the masters and experience the transformative power of art. Admission to the National Gallery is free, making it a haven for art lovers and curious minds alike. Don't miss the opportunity to witness some of the world's most celebrated works of art, up close and personal. Spend a day immersed in creativity and inspiration. It's time to witness a quintessential London spectacle, the changing of the guard at Buckingham Palace. Watch in awe as the iconic guards, resplendent in their scarlet tunics and bearskin hats, perform their intricate ceremony with military precision. This free and timeless tradition offers a glimpse into British pageantry and provides a fantastic photo opportunity against the backdrop of the Queen's official residence. Don't miss this iconic event on your visit to London. Prepare for a sensory overload as we delve into the eclectic heart of Camden Market. This labyrinthine network of stalls and shops is a treasure trove of unique finds, vintage clothing, handmade jewellery and international cuisine. Soak up the vibrant atmosphere, haggle for a bargain and discover hidden gems around every corner. With free entry, Camden Market is a feast for the senses and a must-visit for any visitor to London. Don't miss the vibrant street art and live performances that add to the market's unique charm. From the classic to the contemporary, the Tate Modern awaits with its thought-provoking collection of modern and contemporary art. Explore groundbreaking works from renowned artists such as Picasso, Warhol and Hockney and challenge your perceptions of the art world. While some exhibitions are ticketed, the Tate Modern offers free access to its permanent collection, ensuring an enriching experience for all. Our next adventure takes us on a leisurely stroll along the vibrant South Bank. This iconic stretch of the River Thames offers unparalleled views of some of London's most recognisable landmarks, including the London Eye, Shakespeare's Globe, and the Houses of Parliament. Soak up the lively atmosphere, enjoy street performances, browse the bustling booksellers' stalls, and experience the heart of London's cultural scene, all for free. As the sun sets, the South Bank transforms into a magical place, perfect for an evening walk. Prepare to be awestruck by the wonders of the natural world at the Natural History Museum. From the iconic dinosaur skeletons that tower over visitors to the intricate displays of the animal kingdom, this museum offers a captivating journey through the history of life on Earth. With free entry, the Natural History Museum is a fantastic destination for families and anyone eager to explore the wonders of our planet. Don't miss this incredible experience in London. We venture off the beaten path to discover the vibrant street art scene of Shoreditch. This East London neighbourhood is an ever-evolving canvas for local and international artists with colourful murals, stencils and installations adorning its walls. Take a self-guided walking tour and witness the creativity and social commentary that bring these streets to life. Shoreditch's street art offers a free and constantly changing outdoor gallery experience. Don't forget to bring your camera to capture the ever-changing masterpieces. Our final stop takes us to the tranquil oasis of Greenwich Park. Escape the city bustle and immerse yourself in the historic surroundings of this royal park. Climb to the Royal Observatory for breathtaking panoramic views of the London skyline, explore the National Maritime Museum, or simply relax and soak up the serene atmosphere. Greenwich Park offers a free and unforgettable experience, combining history, nature, and stunning views. Whether you're having a picnic, watching children play, or just enjoying the scenery, Greenwich Park is the perfect spot to unwind. As our London adventure draws to a close, we hope you've been inspired to explore this incredible city and discover its hidden treasures. Remember, you don't need to break the bank to experience the best of what London has to offer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel tips and adventures. Until next time, happy travels!